Hello friends, Danny here of Danny's Dreams, stopping by to share the card that I created using the image that I colored on day 3 of my series, Let's Color March Happy. I colored up this cute and fun girl from Craft and Chemie. She's part of the Smarty Pants stamp set. And I have to say, when I colored her up, I wasn't overly thrilled with my coloring. I think we all have those times when we don't really think it looks the greatest. We're our worst critics on ourselves. But once I got her on the card, I think she's adorable. I did put like some glossy accents on her glasses there and some little dots there. The layout is a sketch, and this card is actually going to be used for my challenge group. There's a stamp for that. Right now, our current challenge is challenge number 32, and it has the themes of this sketch, which is from Freshly Made Sketches, and it's used with permission, or rainbows or ink blending. So this one will be for the sketch, and I hope to get some of other cards made for the other themes. If you'd like to come join us and have some fun, I will link everything below, as well as all pertinent information about my card here. But I used this paper that I got from Stamping Up during Celebration. Love it. It's so bright and happy. And then I stamped her on the inside and added a couple of pieces of that pattern paper. But there is that finished card. I did use the sentiment, "Hey there, Smarty Pants." And I just think it turned out super cute and so fun. So there is that card that I made from day 3's coloring. So far I'm doing good. Early in the month, but so far I'm doing good. I'm proud of myself. I've gotten a coloring video up every day, and I'm proud of myself that so far I've been able to get those images onto cards. Hoping I can keep this trend going. I appreciate all the kind comments that everyone's been leaving. This has been like so much fun for me and kind of energized my creativity. I am just creating up a storm. I am smiling. I am having fun. And that's what it's all about, right? We're here to have fun. So there's my card again. And until my next video, have an amazing day, and thanks for stopping by.